Welcome, my friends. Today we're going to be redoing this wreath. I got it for $2 at my local thrift shop. The first thing that I did is remove all these old greenery that it had, and it had a whole bunch of glue as well, and I removed those from all the little sticks. That's what you see there in the middle. Here it is all cleaned up. Then I'm coming in with these florals that I got from Dollar Tree last year for Christmas, and I'm also using these that are glittery. And the first thing that I do is I'm going to remove these and add them all around the wreath form, sticking them up like you see there, trying to space them as equally as possible. My friends, so this video is part of the Third Thursday Thrift Flips, and this month we're going to do Christmas in July, and this is hosted monthly by Elizabeth from Rustic Chicks Designs and by Tammie from the Rusted Willow. And the guest host this month is Dawn from Shabby meets Bling. The link to the channels and to the playlist will be in the description box below, and also pinned in the comments. Don't forget to head on over so you don't miss out on all the amazing things everyone made. They are going to be awesome, I promise. And then I came in with these hollies from the Dollar Tree. I used a total of 3 picks, and I'm just cutting them into individual little stems as you see there, opening up their leaves and just sticking them in between each one of the other ones that I added before. And then you can see the name of it from Dollar Tree. They're called Holly Bush, and I got these last year, but I'm sure they will come back this year. This wreath form was tight enough that I didn't need to add any glue to it. Everything was staying positioned nicely, so I wanted to not use glue, so I'm able to change this over through the seasons if I choose to do so. So right here, I'm just making sure that they're nicely snug in between the pieces, and I'm just spacing them out equally until I go around the entire circumference of the wreath. And I wanted to make sure that this had a nice full look, so I'm just making sure to open up all those holly leaves up so they're able to showcase that beautiful silver that they had on the edges of it. Just so you have an idea how tight this wreath form was, look how much I'm struggling there to be able to put it through. I had to make sure to angle it a certain way, and then finally I was able to put it in there. I decided to shorten up some of the stems because the holly, the little berries were hanging out a little bit too far from the wreath form, and I really wanted them to be a bit closer. So here you see me how I shortened some of those in which the berries was sticking up too far up. My friends, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe, comment, share. Sharing is caring. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so you are notified each time that I upload a new video. All of these things are free and they really mean the world to me. So go ahead and do them. And thank you so much in advance, and go ahead and join the Lolly's Creations family. So here, guys, at this point I am just filling in places that seemed a little bit scarce. I'm just adding some more of that greenery in between until I'm satisfied with how full it is. I'm still going to be doing another layer of florals, but I want this to be a nice solid layer. And this is how it's looking so far. Then I took some of these coral colored poinsettias from Dollar Tree. They're kind of small. I love the size they have. And I'm going to just go ahead and cut them into individual stems and add them in between all the other florals just to make this look even fuller and add a beautiful pop of color. There were some places in which I really wanted to have some more of that, that piece that you see me cutting there. So I decided to add some more. If you see right there, there was a spot that seemed like it was not symmetrical. So I'm just adding some more to the edges like that in the areas in which it seemed like it was missing a little something. Then I keep rotating the color poinsettias around until I had it like more uniform within the entire arrangement. And here I'm coming in with some more to add into those places that seem a little bare. I really wish that I had taken a couple more. I only got 3 picks of each of these. I think it would have been perfect if I had one more pick to add to this DIY. So if you would like to recreate this and you're able to find all the materials needed, I would truly suggest that you get at least 4 of each pick. I was contemplating on adding a bow towards the bottom of it, but I really wanted this to be a clean wreath with all these, only the flowers really. So I'm hoping to be able to find these picks this year during Christmas time at Dollar Tree, and I'll be able to complete the whole thing. And here is the final reveal. Let me know what you think. My friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you would like to follow me on social media, here are my social media links. And don't forget to visit my friends in the playlist. And if you would like to watch some more of my videos, here are some suggestions. And don't forget to subscribe. It is all free and it means the world to me. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today, my friends. I truly appreciate it. You have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.